Start. The present writ petition arises out of the incident dated 5/1/2021, wherein on a visit to Husainiwala, district Firozpur, state of Punjab, the convoy of the Prime Minister was stuck on a flyover for around 20 minutes. Stop para. Petitioner, an NGO which purports to work for advocates across the country and takes up causes that are in public interest, therefore, seeks that this court take cognizance of the above incident and has prayed for the following directions: a. Take cognizance of the serious and deliberate lapse on part of the respondent numbers 1, 2 and 3 concerning the security and the movement of the Prime Minister of the country, and b. Direct the learned district judge, Bhatinda, to collect all official documents and materials from all possible sources pertaining to the movements and deployment of Punjab Police in connection with the visit at the earliest and produce the same before this honorable court, and c. Issue a writ of mandamus or any other writ, order or direction fixing responsibility of the respondent number 2 and respondent number 3 and place them under suspension, and further direct the respondent number 4 to initiate departmental action against the same, d. Please to issue any other writ or directions or orders as the honorable court may deem fit and proper in view of the facts and circumstances of the case and in the interest of justice. Stop para. Petitioner contends that the incident constitutes a very grave security breach that could have had significant repercussions as it impacts the safety of the Honorable Prime Minister. Stop para. Given the seriousness of the subject matter, and the need to ensure a thorough investigation into the alleged lapses by the security apparatus, we took up the matter on the 7th January, 2022 when we heard Mr. Maninder Singh, senior advocate on behalf of the petitioner, and Mr. Tushar Mehta, learned Solicitor General on behalf of Union of India, and Mr. D.S. Patwalia, learned Advocate General for the state of Punjab. Stop. This court, thus, passed the following order, para. 1. Heard learned Senior Counsel Mr. Maninder Singh on behalf of the petitioner, the learned Solicitor General, Mr. Tushar Mehta, and the learned Advocate General for the state of Punjab, Mr. D.S. Patwalia. Stop para. 2. Taking into consideration the arguments advanced by the parties with respect to the issues relating to the security of WP (C) number 13/2022, the Honorable Prime Minister, and other related issues raised by them, we deem it appropriate for the time being to direct the Registrar General, Punjab and Haryana High Court to secure and preserve the records relating to the Honorable Prime Minister's scheduled tour of Punjab on 5th January 2022. Stop.